Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use drawing page set in AutoCAD. Today lecture first in AutoCAD we are going to see and use drawing page set in AutoCAD. So let's see what are the unit set, limit set and how to easily use in AutoCAD. At first open AutoCAD software. He want to create new sketch interface, new sketch workspace. Then at first select a AutoCAD software, click here and start drawing start. Okay, this is a workspace in AutoCAD. Now we will see create a sketch. At first any design created, at first any 2D design created, then at first page set is compulsory. Not page set, then any design not create. At first page set in AutoCAD. At first unit set, limit set, Z enter, A enter. Z means zoom and A means all. Then let's we see here unit set U N I U UN, shortcut name is UN. US enter, then drawing a page unit. At first decimal precision is 0.00, decimal degree precision is 0, no problem. 0.0 is insertion scale is already set here. Then millimeter and length decimal, angle decimal degree and insertion scale is millimeter. Then click here OK. Then second point is click here limit set, LIM, enter. Then this point show here 0, 0, enter. 100, 100, enter. Next point is Z, enter. All, enter. Then page set in AutoCAD is clear. Then last point is see here this YX plane is right click and UCS log icon setting. This is a click here. Okay, and okay, this is a fixed point, not okay, not right click here UCS icon setting, then click here. Okay, and page is okay. Then now any design 2D design create in AutoCAD, page set is complete. Okay guys, lecture first is complete. Next lecture second is coming soon. Don't forget subscribe, like and share this channel. Okay guys, thank you.